Everyone, I want to make really quick video about some tip. Working on your car in the cold weather. It has been very cold lately, but we still need to change our oil, rotate tires, and so on. And everyone who worked in the car knows that when you have these gloves on, it's nice in the summer, although you can get sweaty inside and so on. Um, in the winter, touching cold surfaces or even hot surfaces, it's really bad. So what I have been doing, and think like this: you maybe do something, then you want to take a break, so you take this off, you get another pair, and so on. Here's the tip. Here's what I am doing. I use these cheap gloves. They come like three, five in pack, $3, $4, whatever. I put these gloves on. They're very slim, and they have some protection from cold, from hot, from everything. And then I put your latex gloves right on top, like this. All right. Right now, I'm ready to work on a hot engine, cold parts, and in these freezing temperatures, uh, I will be pretty warm actually in these gloves. I mean, it's not going to be like super warm, but you, your fingers will not be freezing from turning some or holding tools or anything like in the cold garage. And here's the best part of this. If your wife calls you and say, "Oh, honey, come here, I need you," you have this oily gloves and so on. You don't even need to recycle them. You just pull them like this. Okay? Just pull them. Honey, soup is ready. You pull them. You put them aside. You come back. You put them right back on. And you're ready to work again. This is my winter tip for working on your cars. Enjoy.